Hey y'all, it's TNT. So today I'm going to show you how I did my own goddess locks. So as you can see, I have my little setup here. Yes, I do my hair on a yoga mat. So I'm starting off with Rastafri hair and all the tools that I'm going to be using to do my goddess locks. So I have 3 different types of crochet hair. And as you can see, I have this platinum blonde, and that was just something random I wanted to try. Then I have this hair jewelry I'm going to use. I have some scissors, a rat tail comb to part my hair, crochet needle, and of course moisturizer, because you want to make sure you moisturize your hair with all this synthetic hair. So I'm starting off with my hair already twisted, so I went ahead and parted the front of my hair and twisted. You can part your hair however you want. You don't have to part it if you don't want to, but that's what I did to make it more convenient for me. And so here I'm going in with the crochet hair, and I'm just putting it through and leaving it. I'm not twisting it, I'm not braiding it, no nothing. That's extra time. Just putting it through and leaving it. And so now I'm getting ready to get the Rastafri hair, which is the kinky hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that around the crochet hair, and wrap it all the way down until I feel like it's at a good length and I have a good amount of crochet hair left at the bottom, and then that's when I stop wrapping. So how goddess locks typically look. It's up to you at this part. If you prefer it to be a lot more crochet hair, you can. As you can see, I did my lock pretty far down, and I also wore my goddess locks pretty long, so that's one of the reasons why. And so that extra piece of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that later, but so that's how I'm going to be doing my hair. This is the method I'm going to be using, so I'm gonna go a little more into detail and show y'all the steps. But here you're gonna see me do the same thing. Put the crochet hair in with the crochet needle, and then wrap the Rastafri hair around. And I'm gonna show you all how I sealed the ends at the bottom in a minute. So now I'm getting ready to show you all how I got my ends to stay. So I basically twisted the Rastafri hair all the way down until I ran out. I didn't do that each time, but most of the time I did. And then what I would do to make sure it didn't unravel is I used nail glue. So it's up to you how you want to get it to seal, but I believe nail glue does the job perfectly. I was a little extra and I wanted to try something new. So I took some platinum blonde braiding hair and I added that in. And it was really interesting because that hair is a lot more slippery. So I did a little something extra to try to make sure that it stayed and held in place. But I guess you can do full locks or goddess locks with braiding hair. I wouldn't recommend it. I would use more kinkier hair, but it went ahead and it worked out for this particular lock. So if you wanted to do other locks like that, or if the only color you wanted to do your locks in is in braiding hair, you can definitely make it work. So now I'm going to break it down again and play it in real time so y'all can really see what I'm doing. So I go in with the crochet hair and then I take the Rastafri hair and I wrap that at the root of my hair, and you see that little short piece. I take that short piece and I grab it with all the other hair, so my actual hair, my natural hair, and the crochet hair. And then I take the long piece of the Rastafri hair and I wrap it around my crochet hair, the little short piece of the Rastafri hair, and my natural hair. So basically I'm wrapping it around everything. Take the long piece and wrap it around everything. And the key to get this to really work is you really want to try to get it as tight as you can at the root of your hair so that it stays tight all the way to the bottom. And you want to make sure that you keep it tight as you're twisting it down, because that's really what's gonna allow your locks to stay for a long time. If you do it loose, it may look okay, but your locks are gonna start to come off, to come down after a while. So you wanna make sure that when you're wrapping, you're really taking your time and trying to do it as flat as possible. And to be honest, I'm gonna say to wrap each one, it takes me around maybe 5 minutes, and that's pretty time consuming. As I go, I got a little bit faster, but this hairstyle altogether, it took, I want to say, about 7 hours, 7 to 10 hours if I include me parting and twisting my natural hair. So this was the last one. I was so happy that I was finally finished. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut it and even it out. So as you can see, it was really long. If you want to wear it long like that, girl, go ahead and do your thing. But I went and I cut it where it stopped really like right above, a little bit above my hips. Actually shorter than that. You can see where I cut it, but it was at a good length. When I put it at my back, it was a little bit above my butt. So I feel like it was at a good length. I really liked it like that. I wouldn't wear it any longer because it will get tangled and stuff if you do that. And so here I'm going ahead and I'm adding all this jewelry and hair stuff in. So this was like some gold. Is it foil? I don't know what it is, but you can get it from the hair store. You can get it from Amazon. And then I had some little seashells. I really loved this hair jewelry. It was so pretty. The only thing, it was so difficult to put it in because it was so stiff. So it was hurting my fingers. So that's me trying to put it in with my bonnet. But it's so cute. So yes, girl, yes. Work. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, or if you have any tips or advice, please comment below, but give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.